What are 21st century skills and how do we work them into a PBL unit? Hi, my name is Ryan Stoyer. Welcome to PBL Simplified for Teachers, where we break down your PBL need-to-knows so that we can simplify the PBL process for your classroom. What are 21st century skills? Or as I like to call them, employability skills. And we had the 4 C's, 5 C's. By the time this comes out, there might be 9. However many there are, they're super important. They can be C's, they can be B's, whatever they are. The employability skills are what our industry partners want. The people that are going to hire our graduates, those are the things that they want. I keynoted a business roundtable between educators and industry partners. We brought them together, we gave them lunch, we made them ask a couple different questions. Teachers would ask these questions, partners would ask these questions. And one of the most telling things that came out, there's a businessman that said, if you can give me a graduate that can solve problems, show up on time, and collaborate with others, I'll give them their GED and I'll teach them AutoCAD. So if we can produce graduates that have the employability skills, our industry partners will help them with the rest of the content that they need. That's not always how we see it. Now, our world is filled with standards, standardized tests. Those things aren't going away, but those are vehicles. This isn't an either or. We're going to use PBL units that hit our power standards, our core academic standards, and we're going to bring in employability skills. The Indiana Department of Workforce Development actually has a really great list, and it's a visual infographic of employability skills, and I love it. It's one of the best I've seen. So what you could do with those is you take 1, maybe 2 of those employability skills and you work it into one of your PBL units. So if you take collaboration and you put that in your PBL unit, what does that mean? It means you're going to intentionally teach collaboration. If you want another video on collaboration, click right here. But it's a super important skill that every industry partner is going to ask of our graduates. And it doesn't happen by accident. We have to intentionally teach and produce opportunities for our graduates to have practice time with these employability skills. Because again, they don't happen naturally. So we need opportunities to present. We need opportunities to interact with business partners, community partners, so that it's not brand new when they have to go shake someone's hand and make small talk. These are things that we want our learners to have opportunity for before they graduate. And when they do, you will engage your learners, you'll tackle boredom, and you'll transform your classroom.